The hair is beautiful. I'm so glad that Yaki has returned. This is perfect. It's gonna be perfect for summertime, perfect for warm weather. The hair just feels very light on my head, y'all. I didn't have to do anything to this unit, you guys. They've already bleached the knots for you. I did a little bit of the hairline, just plucking a smidge of it, but that's just personal preference. This is really a pop on and go. I have been on here with a new wig, you guys, from Nadula. I'm actually pretty excited about this unit, y'all, because I've been doing my wigs differently, and honestly, I haven't been like taking a whole lot of time to do them. But of course, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna take it a little bit slower, not too slow though, because we ain't got all day. But this unit, you guys, is from Nadula. Like I said, this is their 7x5 unit. It is 20 inches long. It has kinky edges on the side. It's 180% density, and it's their Yaki texture. First of all, the hair feels so good. That was the first thing I noticed with this one. I don't think I've tried one, or it's been a minute that I've tried the kinky edges type, and this actually does not have a lot of that edges. I know when it first came out, it was like a whole bunch of the kinky edge, but this one is a lot less kinky. They didn't do a lot of that on the edges, but I'll give you guys a close-up in just a second. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and take this unit out. This is a 7x5. I don't know if I said that. 7x5 closure unit. They've already bleached the knots for you. You've got a closer look right here at the kinky edges, so definitely a bit more natural. Very easy unit, beginner friendly unit to just pop on and go. Warmer weather is coming, you guys. We don't have all day to be in the mirror doing our hair, and we need a really good protective style. So I'm gonna pop this on. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to pop this on my head. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna keep the talking for this tutorial at a very minimum because it's just not needed. It's such an easy look. I'm giving you two looks today, just wearing the hair straight, and then I'm gonna curl it for you. So first off, I just added a little bit of bronzer to the wig cap and a tiny bit on the wig, like just on the hairline. Not doing the whole like closure, like the lace part, because we don't need no orange looking lace anymore. And then next, y'all, I just added a little bit of my Lace Wonder spray and just kind of pulled the hair back, and that's how I just melt the lace down. Did not need a lot of it. This unit is actually very comfortable for my head. My base also is very, very flat underneath, but this fit perfectly. I only use just a smidge of the Lace Wonder spray, and then now I'm just going to lay my edges. So all you saw me do was just kind of do like a carved C on the side right here, and then I just went on ahead and plucked a little bit of that hairline just to kind of give me a little bit more of a scalp look, you know, so it's just not too thick right in the front. And then I'm just gonna lay my edges. Keep in mind, these are kinky edges, y'all, so they're not gonna lay like super straight. You kind of have to work fast and get them laid how you want to, but it's gonna be perfect for the summertime because they're just gonna look a lot more natural. So this unit came a bit layered already, so all I did was just kind of clean up the ends just a bit, just to kind of frame my face a little bit more. And then y'all, doing the most important step, this wig took heat very well, and it actually doesn't need a lot of it, but it did need a good old wax stick and a hot comb. Y'all know this is the one combination. I don't care what wig you are wearing, you gotta have this combo. You gotta at least have your hot comb. Try not to overdo it with the wax stick because you still want the hair to move. Also, you'll see me do it in just a bit. Don't just leave the hot comb at the top of your hair. Actually move some hair around, get as close to the scalp as possible underneath if you need to, like I'm doing right here. And make sure you're really tilting the hot comb so that the flat part gets up against the root, which is the hottest part, and it'll give you just a better outcome. So don't forget to get all up in there if need be. And then next, y'all, I just took big chunky sections to flat iron and just kind of curl the hair in. Y'all, this install took me absolutely no time. I'm just gonna finish off with just lifting my little baby hairs up on my head, because y'all know I don't like that, and then just defining my part, adding a little bit of powder, and then we'll move on to how this hair curled. But y'all, easy. And then here, y'all, I wanted to see how this hair curled, and I'm sure you did too, and it curled beautifully. All I did was just take my T3. I think this is on 400 degrees. I wouldn't do anything above that. It takes heat very, very well, and it took me no time to do these curls, y'all. So if you are a volume kind of girl, you just want to jazz it up a little bit, don't want to do a straight look, definitely add some curls to this unit. They came out looking so good, y'all. So pretty. Alright, you guys, so here's the final look. 2 styles for you, straight and curled. I thought I loved the hair straight, but I think I love it curled even more, which is something I very rarely say because I am a middle part straight kind of girl. Honestly, I am dead serious, y'all. I thought I was gonna put locks in my hair before my trip to Dallas. I still might, but I am really considering just taking this wig. I normally don't do wigs while I'm on vacation. I like to do a braided style, but this right here. Anyways, y'all, make sure you check the description box. I'll have any coupon codes, and of course the direct link to this unit will be down there. Bye. Nadula.